And I got it all on camera.
And you want to do surprise to me? Take it in your tail.
Hey. What's up, babe?
You know Ryan. He's here.
Hi, sweetheart. How are you?
Don't know, you little monkey.
And see how puggle she is? Aww, and she wanted to give me a surprise, Rachel.
This is your surprise, Rach.
Take it back. Shall I lock this back?
Okay, we have one more surprise, Rich. Rich, we got one more surprise. He's leaving tomorrow. He's only here for a day.
Make the most of it.
So you're gonna have to make the most of it. He's leaving tomorrow, back to Iraq. Here, here.
I told you to keep her back.
Oh my god! Stop taking pictures!
It's not, it's videotaping.
Hey, Deidre. Yeah. Cameron's here. They
I was never in
just
Texas
met. So,
yesterday.
hey, listen, I'll call you back, okay? Bye.
Come on, baby.
I was gonna say, what the heck is going I know.
You ready to meet your daddy? Are you ready to meet your daddy?
All right.
She's sleeping more like. Hi. Guess who you get to meet? Guess who you get to meet? There. Daddy's gonna hold you. Whoa! You ready? Say hi, Daddy. Oh, you're gonna yawn at Daddy? That's all you can do? Oh, she's smiling at you. Look, the elf came, Dad. He brought me a present.
Okay, open it.
Okay, open it up, see what it is. Just tip it over, tip it over. Tip the box over.
What'd you get?
Just tip the box over.
It's busted.
Where?
Just push it over.
Daddy?
Hi!
Dad!
Hi, baby.
You got home?
I got home just now. I came home. How are you? I missed you.
I thought it was like this toy.
Yeah?
He thought it was like some kind of kitchen.
Are you glad it's
set or
me
something.
instead?
Yes.
Give me a kiss. I love you.
I love you.
Hey, Aiden, now you can have Thanksgiving. Your dad and Elf is here.
Yeah, we're gonna have Thanksgiving today. You gonna eat turkey?
Yes. I'm gonna eat turkey.
Are
Yeah?
you happy?
Rinse our bones out with the meat on it and gonna eat
Oh,
it.
man.
Are you happy?
Yeah. Thank you for the gun too, Dad. Did the elf bring you here?
Yep, he sure did.
Yeah, he flew with the elf, however the elf flies.
Well, I can't hug the elf anyways.
You can't touch the elf, nope.
Just tell the elf thanks, though. You gotta tell the elf thanks.
You can go
for
tell him
bringing
thank
that
you.
one.
Thank you, Honor the elf.
Let's go. Let's go.
It just says my name on it. It says welcome home for me.
Yep.
Oh, thank you.
Look.
I'm ready.
Gotta unwrap it right here.
Good, I go.
Help her. Open it up. Come on, Chloe. Don't worry about.
Daddy! He's getting me! Mama life!
I love you.
I love you too.
How are you doing?
I wanted a trampoline.
You wanted a trampoline? Trampolines are bigger.
Yeah.
I love you very much.
Mama. No.
Do you like your surprise?
Yeah. Yeah. It was Daddy. It was Daddy.
Was that a good surprise?
Yeah, he scared me.
Do you miss Daddy?
Yeah.
Are you glad to see him home?
Yeah.
Have a kiss. Thank you. Ew.
Everybody say bye.
Bye.
A father nervously waiting in the wings, his teenage son on the other side of the door with no clue the two are about to be reunited after nearly 9 months. At the school assembly, Tony Montgomery thought he was getting an award for having a parent in the military.
Does anybody see anyone that looks like they might have come back from Afghanistan?
Hey, bud.
The surprise reunion was actually weeks in the making. Sergeant Joshua Montgomery had been Skyping ahead of time with Tony's classmates. And to thank the school for its support, he presented the principal with an American flag.
We flew it for the whole month of September. And it's signed by my commander and it's signed by my first sergeant. In appreciation for Veterans Day.
Sergeant Montgomery also presented his son with a military coin for a job well done as the man of the house in his absence.
This is probably going to be like the best Christmas I've ever had because it was going to kind of be just me and my sisters, but now my dad's home.
Surprise! Come here. I miss you.
Miss you too.
There are no limits.
Oh my gosh, my heart is pounding so hard.
No limits to what parents will do for their children.
My name is Kathy Chandler, and my husband is Sergeant First Class Daryl Chandler.
When war has split the family.
My husband's been gone for 9 months. Today he's coming home from Afghanistan.
When children are fighting their own war of loneliness back home.
The boys have been taking this pretty hard.
Their boys, ages 7 and 3. The boys are not here at the airport with their mom and friends for their father's arrival.
He's coming!
Kathy and Daryl Chandler know that as much as they've missed each other, their boys have missed him with the fathomless depth of the child's heart. So Kathy and Daryl did this for their boys. Kathy told 7-year-old Cole and 3-year-old Aiden that they could enter a contest, and the winner would get a visit from a Power Ranger. And this is the entry Cole wrote.
He said, I should have a superhero come to my class because I've been stressed out lately, and my dad is at war in Afghanistan. If the Red Ranger came to my class, that would make my day. And he won.
Of course, there was only one entry in the contest, and Kathy was the judge.
He knows where his stress is coming from. He knows that what he's doing as a military kid is a hard job. And the fact that he touches that makes me as a mom just so much more compassionate for him and all the struggles that he's going through.
And of course, Cole was surprised and excited when he found out that he won and the Power Rangers showed up. And of course, he would soon find out who the superhero was underneath the Power Rangers mask.
It's been hard. It's been hard on especially the older one.
Army Sergeant First Class Daryl Chandler and Kathy Chandler know that someday the boys will understand that what their parents hope they are giving them is bigger than a surprise homecoming, that their sacrifice and service is giving them their future.
You do it for your country, knowing that hopefully that what I'm doing today, it's something they won't have to go through, and to give them a better life for it, that's what I do it for.
There are no limits to what parents will do for their children. In Stockbridge, John Schierick, 11 Alive News.
An early Christmas surprise tonight for an Inland Empire family. They've been without their father for the past several months as he was serving overseas. This past week, his wife sent us a message on our ABC7 Facebook page to tell us her husband was coming home.
It's been a busy weekend for Santa Claus at the Promenade in Temecula. While most children are asking for bicycles and Barbies, 6-year-old Madison Sherman's wish is a bit different. Her father, First Class Petty Officer Ron Sherman, has been deployed in Afghanistan for the past 6 months serving in the U.S. Navy. Her one wish for Santa Claus was for her father to return home for the holidays. The surprise reunion caught on camera.
I was actually supposed to come home right now, but I just didn't tell anybody. I told them I was coming home at the end of the month. So we kind of misled my kids a little bit.
Incredible. It's a miracle.
Angela Sherman kept her husband's homecoming a secret from most everyone, including their 20-year-old daughter, Jordan.
Feels amazing. I've missed him a lot, and it's really good that he's home now.
It's a miracle.
Can I get your name?
This was Petty Officer Sherman's second deployment. He first served in Iraq in 2010. Between all the hugs and kisses, Angela Sherman said it just means a lot to have him back.
He's going to be safe. Safe with us for Christmas.
And now Sherman and his family live in Winchester. He is stationed at Port Hueneme. I spoke to him over the phone. He said that they plan to hit up Disneyland to celebrate.
Hey, Mom.
Declared a state of emergency at the plant. Its first ever, and Chris Cuomo is here with them.
We're hearing radiation levels inside the plant reached as high as 1,000 times the normal level. So what started as a natural disaster has the potential to become an even more threatening man-made disaster. The Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant is one of the largest and oldest nuclear power plants in the world. And now it is in great jeopardy. The immediate crisis period
Yeah, good. It's the Afghanistan. Afghanistan.